I'm Johnny Boykin, the sales director at Independent 2. I'd like to speak with you about how we sell the Domino digital press technology. We certainly focus on key attributes that the Domino digital press actually offers, and that's speed to market, color consistency, versatility, and above all, the ease of doing business. In front of me, I have a demonstration of the versatility of the Domino digital press. We have litho alternatives, we have flexo alternative for the beverage industry. We also have food packaging that utilizes the Domino digital press water-based ink technology, and we also have an example of using the Domino digital press for secondary packaging and point of sale display within the same account. So again, Independent 2 with Domino digital press technology makes doing business easy. Makes doing business easy.